issued by the civil authorities. Please stand by for further instructions. A shelter in place has been issued for the entire eastern side of the Blue River State by the civil authorities until further notice. Please listen to this following message as it might save your life. The supernova power plant had suffered a catastrophic failure leading to a massive explosion. The entire power plant is in ruins. We are currently unsure as to how many casualties there are. Any residents residing within the 10-mile radius of the power plant needs to evacuate after this broadcast is finished. Those who are residing outside of the 10-mile radius are not required to evacuate. However, those who are outside of the 10-mile radius should immediately block all entrances to their homes to prevent radiation getting inside. If you are in the 10-mile radius of the power plant, take the most important items with you, such as a mobile phone, documents, medicine, food and water. Those who are required to evacuate will be picked up by the military. Please do not panic. We are trying everything to keep this under control. We have also heard rumors of a tall black figure entering the power plant minutes before the explosion. However, we are unsure as to who or what it is. Stay tuned and remember to not panic. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and have a nice evening.